So where we left off on Wednesday, your model probably looks something like this. What you want to have is your background that has the plans, and everywhere where there was wall in the plans, you have nice, crisp, filled in sections that are continuous. If you happen to have the entire floor filled in, such as this, it might look like this. Click the arrow key, click the part that needs to be gotten rid of, and hit the delete key. It's very possible that you might have sections that are filled in that need to be deleted as well. Depending on areas that are opened or completely closed in, you may have to do this a couple of different times. So the next thing we're going to do, make sure that you have a backup copy of your file just in case something gets messed up here. There are parts of this model we're going to need to clean up, and right now this one looks great. There doesn't look to be anything wrong, except when we come here to the push-pull tool, click that. I'm going to click my wall and bring it up here. I'm turning this whole section into an actual 3D wall. And this will actually highlight some areas of concern. Some of those areas will be areas like over here where there's a wall that didn't come up for some reason. And if we look really closely, what we'll see here is I'm going to hit Control Z to undo. That's going to drop this wall back down. And there is an extra line here between these 2 points. You see that right there? Between these 2 points, there's that extra line. There's another one here. So that's going to prevent this one from drawing up to affect that. So to fix that, we just need to get rid of these extra lines that are connecting these two. So you hit the eraser tool, hover over that section, and click your mouse button. So if I delete that and delete that, I'm going to go back to the push-pull tool and draw this up a little bit just to see where we're at, and both of those walls came up just fine. This section here we actually discovered was a mistake. This is in the stairway, and these will just be deleted. So I'm just going to come in here and erase these sections here, because we will redo the stairs in a different way once we connect all the walls together. So we've deleted those, and let's see if our entire model comes up as one. Let's bring it up here. So something's happened over here. So I believe this is actually a wall that's completely standalone. So this is there might be some walls that are not continuous around the entire building. If that's the case, that's okay, because we can just pull this one up separately, and everything will be fine. One thing that you'll see right now is some of these walls are gray and some of them are white. That has to do with what's called inside or outside polygons. And all that means is it thinks that this wall is an inside wall and this is an outside wall. And that will have some effect once we bring it into the gaming engine, but it's not a big problem right now. Here's another artifact, some extra lines that were just unnecessary. So I'm going to undo and erase these lines right here. What I want to do, what my ultimate goal here is to have a very clean draw up of these walls. So once I pull this up, they come up very nice and clean. And you see that's a really clean wall that we have here. There is one more artifact, and I'm going to start another video to explain that one, because it's going to require some extra steps.